Want to download and install CapCut on your PC? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get started. First, head to the search bar at the bottom of your computer and type in Microsoft Store. Open it up, and once you're in, make sure you are signed in. Then go to the top and use the search bar to type in CapCut. Once CapCut shows up in the results, click on it. There, you will see the Install button, hit Install, and CapCut will begin downloading. Just wait for it to finish. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, it will automatically install. Once it says Installed, you can close the Microsoft Store. Now, go back to your search bar, type in CapCut, and open it. The first time you launch the app, it may test your system for compatibility. Once that's done, hit Confirm and CapCut will open. From here, you can click New Project, import your media, and start editing right away. If this helped, give the video a like. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.